Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's many variations to making Mo Gua soup, but for today I just wanted to focus on sharing this simple and delicious recipe that only has these few ingredients. I've got regular chicken broth, some dried Chinese black mushrooms to help give it an earthy flavor, and of course the Mo Gua melon. You can find this at most Chinese markets like 99 Ranch. If you can't find this, you can also use winter melon, and I've even tried it with zucchini and it was also great. So first I'm just gonna soak my mushrooms to rehydrate them. I'm gonna do this for about an hour or so until they're fully soft. If you want to, you can even do this step before you go to work and let them soak all day. As the mushrooms soak, they're gonna release some of that umami flavor into the water, and I'm just gonna use that to add to the broth, which will give it a more earthy and umami flavor. So just make sure to save the mushroom water, as it is a key ingredient for this dish. Next, I'm just gonna peel and slice the melon. I'm cutting these into half-moon slices, but feel free to cut them into any shape that your heart desires. Just not too thick or it'll take longer to cook it. I'm just flipping the mushrooms about halfway through so that they soak evenly. You might want to just move them around a bit while they soak as well. Now that they're soft, I'm just going to remove the stem and slice them up. Here you can see I have my melon, mushroom water, and sliced mushrooms. Since this is a big pot of soup, I'm just gonna use my portable induction burner I got on Amazon for like 60 bucks. It heats liquid a lot faster than my gas stove. I'm just setting this to max heat. When it gets to a boil, I'm just gonna add the mushroom water and the melon, and then the sliced mushrooms. I'm just lowering the heat now so it's at a low rolling boil, and I'll just cook this for about 15 minutes. If you want the melon even softer, you can do about 20 minutes. And that is a really simple yet flavorful soup that I think you're gonna love. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see when I post a new video. I hope you guys have a delicious rest of your day.